Welcome viewers to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share. This is the tutor Mr. Kandini Madania will be presenting additional mathematics question 4 2023 paper 2 in 10. This question says find the value of a given that the expression x cubed minus 6x squared plus a x minus 3 divisible by x minus 3, and then factorize the expression. This is the expression 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 17x plus 12. So we're going to go to solution. So we're starting with the first one. So when you're starting with the first one, you're going to write the expression first by saying x minus 3. Then you're going to write your equation, the expression, by saying x cubed minus 6x squared plus ax minus 3. Then you make sure that you make x to be the subject of formula by introducing 0. Then x is equals to what? 3. Because when the x comes 3 comes this side, it becomes a positive. So where there is x in this, you put 3. So I'm going to say 3 cubed minus 6 3 squared plus a, then 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. This is what you're writing. Then you're going to multiply here to give you 27 minus 54, then plus 3a minus 3 is equals to 0. Then when you reach here, to like terms together, 27 minus 54 minus 3 plus 3a is equals to 0. Then when you subtract here to give us negative 30 plus 3a is equals to 0. Then 30 and 0 are like terms, so it will be positive 30 over 3 over 3. We're getting a as 10. So the value of a is 10. We come to factorize the expression. So we come to factorize the expression, which is question number 2. Question number 2, we're going to solve it from here. So when you're factorizing the expression, so you're going to write your expression 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 17x then plus 12. So when you're factorizing such expression, you need to do a method of try and error. What I mean in try and error is you're going to be saying values starting from 1. If x is equals to 1, if you put 1 here and then it is giving us 0, meaning that is the value that is accepted. But so meaning if I put 1, the way I'm going to write the expression, I'm going to say x minus 1. If it is a positive, you're going to write your expression. I put 1 here to give me 2, then 3, 17 and 12. When I punch on a calculator putting 1 as x, I'm going to get 0, meaning it is divisible. If you are not getting 0, it's not divisible. So I'm getting 0, so it's divisible. Now the way you're going to write the expression, since it is positive 1, you're going to write an expression to say x minus 1. If it was a negative, we are going to write x plus 1 like this. So you're going to divide this that you found into this expression. Now there are a lot of methods. I'm going to use synthetic. So when you're using synthetic, you're going to find this one, make x to be the subject of formula by introducing 0. Then this will be 1. Then this one will come here. then you're going to get the coefficient of these numbers. So you're going to start 2, then 3, negative 17, then 12. Then you're going to bring down the 2 here, okay, like this. Then you start 1 times 2 to give me a 2. Then you add here, you're going to add to give us a what? 5. Then 1 times 5, it will give us 5. When you subtract here to give us negative 12. 1 times negative 12, we are getting negative 12. Then when you subtract here to give us a 0. If it is giving us a 0, meaning the final answer now we're going to get as in 2x squared, then plus 5x, then minus 12, like this. Then now when you reach here, you're going to factorize using product, sum, and factor. Using product, sum, and factor. But don't forget this one that we had found. Also, this one is there. When you're factorizing, you're going to put it on the final answer. This one. Okay? So you're going to factorize. So after you have found this equation, you're going to factorize using product, sum, and factor. So you're going to say product. Here it is 2 times, which is negative 24. 2 times 12, which is negative 24. And then sum, it is 5. Then the factors are 8, negative 3. So we are going to replace this by saying 2x squared, then plus 8x minus 3x minus 12. Then we're going to factorize using common factor. 2x, here will remain x because we're dividing the 2x, so remaining with x. The one that is common is 2x, so you divide 2x, even here 2x. So when you divide 2x, 2 cancels, 2x, but remaining with x1, which is x, then plus 4, the x go. Then here what is common is negative 3, so it is negative 3, then this side negative 3. So when you divide the negative 3 here, it will give you x, negative and negative, getting a positive, then 4. Then you're going to put 2x minus 3 in the brackets, then x plus 4. Then don't forget this one that you had found, x minus 4. So we're going to say there. So we're going to say therefore x minus 1, then 2x minus 3x plus 4. That was the factorization that we are supposed to solve.